Hey guys, welcome to our bean harvesting video. We're filling our new bin. It's pretty great. It's our first load in. It's a semi. We're cutting beans right now. We're having a great harvest. And we're going to show you guys some shots of the actual harvesting and the filling the bins. If you were wondering what we use in our harvesting operation, we use an S660 combine and a Brenton 82 auger wagon. We also use an 8245R, and we also partner up with a different farm to harvest, so we take turns using their equipment and our equipment, both the combine, auger wagon, and the heads for the combine. We have bought those together, and we both run two semis at our operation.